Hello friends, so this is a disc brake in front and rear both wheel. So this is the consumable part, brake pads. This is new brake pad, this is worn out, wear out brake pads. After 1 year you need to replace those worn out brake pads in new brake pads. It's easily available in the market, but you need to check this design. And this is the part, if you see inside, this is the part we need to change. Here if you see, this is the part we need to change. So how to change this brake pad we will show in the detailed video. Thank you. Please open these one bolt, Allen bolt, and another Allen bolt from the help of 5 mm Allen key already provided in toolkit. So you just remove this part and then you just open these 3 bolts, 1, 2 and 3. After 3 bolts open, these worn out brake pad you need to remove and new brake pad you need to install as per slot, and then lock all 3 bolts. This is a simple process. In 5 to 10 minutes you can change your brake pads new, and then install same 2 bolts, 1 and 2 install in the cycle. Thank you sir.